India's financial, commercial and entertainment capital. This presentation will showcase Mumbai's rich history, vibrant culture, economic significance, and future aspirations. Introduction to Mumbai. With over 20 million people in its metro area, Mumbai spans 603.4 square kilometers. It has India's highest GDP at $310 billion. Official languages are Marathi, Hindi and English. The city was formerly known as Bombay until 1995. Geography and demographics. Mumbai is located on the west coast of Maharashtra in India. It was originally 7 islands that were joined together through land reclamation. Being a coastal city, it borders the Arabian Sea to the west. Mumbai has a highly diverse population with communities from all over India. The population density is about 20,000 people per square. Economic powerhouse, Mumbai contributes 6% of India's total GDP. It is home to major financial institutions including the Reserve Bank of India, the Bombay Stock Exchange which is Asia's oldest stock exchange, and the National Stock Exchange. Major industries include finance, information technology, entertainment including Bollywood, and textiles. The port of Mumbai handles 25% of India's international trade. Famous landmarks. Mumbai boasts iconic landmarks including the Gateway of India, the UNESCO World Heritage Site Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus Railway Station, Marine Drive known as the Queen's Necklace, the ancient Elephanta Caves which are also a UNESCO site, the modern engineering marvel Bandra Valli Link, and the spiritual Haji Ali Dargah Mosque located in the sea. Transportation. Mumbai's local train network carries over 8 million passengers daily and is considered the lifeline of the city. The best bus network operates over 300 routes throughout the city. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport connects Mumbai globally. The city is currently expanding its metro network with 13 planned lines. The iconic black and yellow taxis are a distinctive part of Mumbai's transport landscape. Challenges. Mumbai faces several challenges including inaffordable housing prices due to high population density. Heavy monsoon rains often cause flooding in parts of the city. Air and water pollution are growing concerns. Infrastructure is often overloaded beyond capacity. Slum rehabilitation remains. Conclude. The future Mumbai. Major developments include the Coastal Road Project, a 29.2 km freeway along the western coast. The Navi Mumbai International Airport is scheduled for completion in 2025. The Mumbai Trans Harbour Link will be the longest sea bridge in India. Smart city initiatives aim to modernize infrastructure while focusing on sustainable development for the future. Conclusion. Mumbai represents both the dreams and challenges of urban India. Despite its problems, the city continues to attract people from across the nation with its promise of opportunity. The resilience and entrepreneurial spirit of Mumbaikars make the city uniquely positioned to meet future challenges. Mumbai truly embodies the phrase, maximum city, maximum dreams, capturing both its incredible scale and the aspirations of those who call it home.